While many schools across the state struggle with math scores, one Tulsa school has turned its test scores around with the new program. Fox 23's Jana Clark shows us what the middle school is doing, and now other schools are taking notice.
Hamilton Middle School got this math lab last year because of a grant from the State Department of Education, and teachers feel like it's making a big difference when it comes to test scores.
It looks like 13-year-old Kaylin's working on her computer skills, but she's really getting ready for a math lesson.
I'm working on solving problems.
For the next 90 minutes, she and 45 other Hamilton Middle School students work in their math lab. The computer program requires a pre-test, then gives a lesson. It won't let students move on until they understand the concept by passing a test. Kaylin says math has always been a weak subject for her, and this is really helping her.
I feel like it's better because the teachers sometimes they'll explain it, but I don't get it. And you know, we have to go on because there's a lot that we have to learn. And this right here, you can always go back if you don't get it.
For Kaylin, the key is working at her own pace.
If you want to just take your time and go through it really slow, then you can. And if you want to just go through it really fast, then you can do that too.
Whether kids are quick math learners or a little slower, teachers say this math lab helps them all.
The kids stay at their own pace. We don't have to speed up or slow down. We're not rushing them and they don't get nervous and freeze up, and no other kid can see how they're answering questions.
Ms. Harris says the proof is in the numbers, the students' math test scores.
Went up 22%.
That's the biggest gain in math for all the middle schools in Tulsa. Kaylin says her scores are going up too.
Just taking my time, making sure I understand every bit of it.
Because this math lab has been so successful, other schools are starting to take notice. In fact, Monroe Middle School is putting in one of these math labs right now. In North Tulsa, Jana Clark, Fox 23 News.
And here's some more information. Last year, the State Department of Education gave out 10 grants for math labs. Hamilton was the only Tulsa school to receive the grant. This year, the state's giving out 10 more grants, and we found out Madison Middle School in Tulsa will be receiving a math lab this year. So will Muskoge's 7th and 8th grade center.